In this video, we'll learn how to use conditional logic to make text input fields required or optional based on the signer's selections. Let's get started by uploading a document, adding the required signers, and proceeding to the document creation panel. First, drag and drop a checkbox widget onto the document, then rename it to Tax Paid For. Create two checkbox options, Federal, State. Click Save. Next, add a text input widget and rename it Paid Tax. Set the field to Optional. Now, enable Conditional Logic. For the action, select Make Required. Set the condition type to All Conditions. Click Add Rule. Configure the rule, Trigger Widget, Tax Paid For. Operator is check. Now, let's see how the Make Optional action works. Add another checkbox widget and rename it Taxpayer Type. Create two checkbox options, Business, Individual. Click Save. Next, add another text input widget and rename it Tax ID, EIN/SSN. Enable conditional logic for this field. For the action, select Make Optional. Click Add Rule and configure the rule, Trigger Widget, Taxpayer Type. Operator equals Value, Individual. Click Save to apply the configuration. Now, add a signature widget, and send the document for signature. Once the document opens in the signing view, let's see how the conditional logic works. First, click on the Paid Tax field. You'll notice there is no required field *** symbol and the Next button is enabled. This indicates that the field is currently optional. Now, select either Federal or State from the Tax Paid For checkbox. Click on the Paid Tax field again. This time, you'll notice the required field ** symbol is displayed, and the Next button is disabled until a value is entered. This means the field has become required because the configured condition has been met. Next, let's see how the Make Optional action works. Click on the Tax ID text field. You'll notice the required field ** symbol is visible, and the Next button is disabled, indicating that the field is currently required. Now, under the Taxpayer Type checkbox, select Business. Click on the Tax ID field again. You'll see that the field remains required. The required field * is still visible, and the Next button remains disabled because the configured condition has not been met. Next, change the Taxpayer Type selection to Individual. And check the Tax ID field. You'll notice that the required field ** symbol has disappeared, and the Next button is enabled. This means the field has now become optional, as the configured condition has been satisfied. This demonstrates how conditional logic works with the Make Required and Make Optional actions. You can dynamically control whether fields are required or optional based on the signer's selections, creating smarter and more flexible document workflows. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.